Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we have been building this musician's homepage using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In the previous video, we completed designing this whole website. We have designed the desktop and also the mobile version of this website. Now in this video, I'll show you how to host this online. So we will deploy this website on a service called Netlify.com. So let's get started. Right, the first thing you need to do is go to netlify.com and create a free account. So you can also sign up with your Gmail or your GitHub accounts. Now once you log in, you'll find this screen over here. Now you have to go to projects, and here you will see all the previous projects that you deployed on Netlify. Now there are multiple ways of deploying a new project using Netlify. So here if you click on this add new project button, here we can see there are three options. We can import an existing project. We can start from a template that Netlify provides, and we can also deploy manually. So if I click on import an existing project, we can see that we have these options. We can deploy the project using GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket and Azure DevOps. If you have already pushed your code to GitHub, you can just use this option. And the next option is starting from a template. But since we have already designed our website, we can just go ahead and deploy manually. So once you select this option, you will find this screen over here, and we can just drag and drop our project folder over here. Or you can also do that right here in this project screen. So here we can see it says if you want to deploy a new project, we can just go ahead and drag and drop our folder over here. Now this is my project, so I have added all the files into this HTML folder. So you have to go ahead and drag and drop this folder to your Netlify dashboard. So I'll just do that. And here we can see that the files are being uploaded. And now we can see that our website was deployed on Netlify. So this is the URL. If I open this, we can see that we have the website displayed over here. So everything is working all right. And let's also take a look at the mobile version. So everything is working all right. So that's basically how you can deploy your websites for free on Netlify. Now if you go back to your project overview, here we can go ahead and change the name of our project as well. So if you go to domain management, here we can go ahead and click on options and edit project name. Here you can add your project name. So I'll just tap Nova Music Official. Let's see whether it is available. And we can see that the domain is available. And if I now go to this URL, we can see that our website is displayed over here. And you can also add your own domains right here. So if you go over here to add domain, here you can buy a new domain, or you can also add a domain that you already own. And if you scroll down, we can see that the SSL certificate is also automatically generated for your websites. And now if you want to update your website, you can just go over here to deploys, and you can go ahead and drag and drop your updated folder right here. And then the website will be updated live. Alright, so that's basically how you can deploy your website on Netlify. So that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.